Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, I'm Miss Cherries, and thank you for clicking this video. So today I will be trying out the new Chanel Fall 2021 collection. I did my first impressions of their summer collection 2 weeks ago. I did not expect that they would launch their fall collection very early. I was expecting maybe around August, so I decided just pick up one of each item from the fall collection. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I do not have their new nail polishes. Those are like new shades. I don't wear any. I don't really wear any. My hands are so dry. So I skip on those. I have the blush, liner, liquid shadow, lipstick. So I think they're now available in the UK's website, maybe in stores too. I bought these items from the US Chanel website. So this one is the, what is this? The blush. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this because I don't speak French. So this is the 608 Ombre Powder Blush 608 Ombre. This is the box. So this one retails for $45. They only came out with one shade. I was very confused, and then I'm gonna show you guys okay, let me remove this. Let me zoom in a little bit. Here is the blush. This blush is very matte, neutral, like brownish shade, so looks very light too. One thing I do not like about matte blushes, just in general, they look at least on my skin, they look patchy on my skin. So this is very matte. Let me show you the let me swatch this. It feels nice. It's a little dry. Okay, so this one I did not mention, guys. So this one is made in France with a shelf life of 18 months. So 18 months. I'm gonna show you the swatch of this. Okay, there you go. See, it's very light. Let me dip my finger again. It's a little powdery. So I think this is their new formula. I heard the new formula, oh my god, it's not that great. So yeah, it's very light, almost like a bronzy shade on my skin tone. I am light to medium with neutral undertone, so this is very light. Even for deeper skin tones, I'm not sure, I don't think this is gonna show up. This is very light. So I'm gonna get a brush out okay, I'm gonna get a brush in here. Okay, so I'm gonna use this almost like a dense, not too dense, but it has a little bit of like a little bit floppy but not too dense. So I'm gonna use this brush, and oh my god, I'm gonna scare because this blush is $45, and it's gonna tap this blush. This is what I do all the time to prevent, like patchiness. This is very light, so I'm gonna dip my brush again for the third time, and I'm dipping really hard. See the wash of color on my cheeks. This is the fourth dip. If you like the wash of color in your cheeks, you might like this one. I personally do not. I like a little bit of punch on a lot on my cheeks. So $45 for this. $45. Yeah. Personally, it looks a little too matte, almost like a matte powder, a loose powder on my cheeks. Yeah, not bad. I mean, it's not my thing. This is not my, ooh. Yeah, I lost track. I don't know how many times I dip my brush on this. So very light. I think this is only gonna work for light, fair light, light medium, maybe medium skin tones, for deeper skin tones, this is not gonna show up. I had to dip my brush maybe 5-6 times. Still very, I mean, it's a wash of color. That's all. It's nice and pretty. I wish it was a little bit more darker, a little bit more pigmented. So moving on, I'm gonna move on with the liquid eyeshadow. So they come up with 4 shades. So I'm gonna type down how much, because I do not remember on top of my head. So this is the this, what do you call this one? Lame Purple. This is the number 35. Is the box. So let me shake this one. So I'm not very familiar with the liquid eyeshadows too. So this is the shade thing, and the component, it's nice. It's made of bottle. It feels a little heavy. It feels luxe. So I'm gonna show you the, and this is the one, the doe foot applicator. Let me well, that's actually very, smells alcohol. It's the alcohol smell, so I think this is gonna dry up fast. Like, yeah, it has that alcohol smell. So you see, it's not metallic. It's like a soft satin finish. So I'm gonna try and use this one. I'm gonna apply this one on my left side first. So I feel like this is gonna dry out fast because of the alcohol smell. So I'm just gonna shake this. I already primed my lids. I primed with a Makeup by Mario. I just wanted to make sure that this is going to stick on my lid. Okay, so I'm gonna, on this side looks patchy right here. So you do have to work very quickly because it just dried out very quickly. You see, still patchy for some reason. That part is patchy. Just not a big fan of this. This is so beautiful, but very hard to work with, very hard to apply. Do not like this one so far, so I'm gonna try a little bit more and see. So I'm just gonna move on with the next product I have. This is the ombre liner kohl eyeshadow in the shade 19 contour beige. So I'm gonna show you the pencil. So this one can use as a eyeshadow or eyeshadow base, also for the waterline. So very multi-purpose product. I like the waterline from this brand Chanel. I have the shade in Grace Graphite. So this is the shade beige. I wanted, like I mentioned before, I wanted something that I could wear every day. So I'm gonna swatch. Let me swatch this. Very creamy, pigmented. I'm gonna show you this. See, doesn't budge. So the one thing about this, bad thing about it, sets so quickly that you do not have time to blend out the liquid shadow. So it's only, but you do have to work really hard quickly. So this is the liner in beige. It's more of a beigey, dark beigey maroon, not maroon, beigey brown, almost like terracotta. Very creamy. So I'm gonna apply this on my waterline. Very dark, like terracotta orange beige. I mean, this is a very unique color. Very light. I like this one. Last item, the luminous matte lip color in the shade 74 low key. So this one retails for 40, I think $40. Yes, I'm gonna show you the lipstick right now. This is a very nice, feels expensive, of course, $40. I like this component, and it just push it and then the lipstick gonna come out. I got a damaged lipstick. So I already contacted customer service, so they're gonna send me another one because this is $40. So I had to contact customer service. So I'm gonna apply this. Let me swatch this color. This lipstick is so messy. So very, oh my god, the feels like a little drying. It's creamy, but it's very, feels like a little drying. So this is the lipstick, low key. It's an orangey, like coral reddish shade. I love the Rouge Coco Bloom. I only have one. Very nice. So I'm expecting this one. So good. So it's I mean, it's not the same formulation as the Coco Rouge. This is a matte one. The Coco Rouge is like a very pigmented lip balm. So I'm gonna apply this. I'm gonna put on false lashes, fix everything, and then I'm gonna summarize everything on my thoughts about the new collection. I'll be right back. I'll tell you my thoughts about the fall collection from Chanel. First is the blush. I do not really like this blush. I really like pigmented, like pigmented blushes. This one I had to dip my brush 6 times. Even with like dipping brush 6 times, still not pigmented enough for my liking. This is more like a wash of color. I am light to medium with neutral undertone. Still not enough pigmentation for my liking. So if you just want a wash of color, I think you're gonna like this one. But I think this is only gonna work for light, fair, light to medium. For deeper skin tones, this is not gonna show up on your skin. So this one, not feeling this. So I'm just gonna try this one a bit more. But if you're looking for pigmented blushes, I highly recommend Pat McGrath. Cheaper, more pigmented than this one. I do not have other blushes from Chanel, but this one for a new collection, just way too light for my liking. Way too light. Alright, so next one, I'm not sure about this one. I do not really like this one. This is the liquid eyeshadow, and this is the Lame Purple. It's the metallic red shade 35, Lame Purple. Is that what you say it? Okay, so this one, I had to apply this one, oh my goodness, 5 times. So it got really patchy on my outer half, so I had to keep on reapplying 5, maybe, I don't know, I lost track, maybe 5 times. It was very hard to apply. It was very hard to put on. You do need to work really hard with this because it dried up very quickly. I didn't really have time to move the product around my eye, so this one's not for me. But the one thing though, it doesn't budge. So I'm gonna show you. You see, even the back of my hand is not moving. This is the liquid eyeshadow. It doesn't budge, but you do need to work quickly with this because it dried up very fast. So I'm gonna try this one again, but for now, guys, I'm not really liking this. Alright, so okay, those two do not like. I'm gonna talk about the products that I like. I really like this what is called ombre eyeshadow liner kohl in the shade contour beige. This is so beautiful, applied quickly, very pigmented, a very unique shade in my makeup collection. This one I like so much. So the lipstick is also very pretty. Although it's a matte finish, I can feel the powder finish, like the powder finish on my lips, but still really nice. It's not too dry. It's actually very comfortable, and also like this color is not too red because I do not like red lipstick. So this is a corally pinky, a little bit of red undertone. So this is a perfect color. I had to maybe apply it 3 times because it was very sheer, but overall I really like these two products. The rest, not so much. So let me know if you tried anything from Chanel, especially their new fall collection. What do you guys think about the new fall collection? Think it's boring? A lot of people saying boring. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Please comment down below. So this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye bye.